Are you paying for coverage without really knowing what it actually does? Collision and comprehensive coverage sound similar, but they protect you in very different situations, and misunderstanding them could cost you thousands. Let's break it down. Hi, I'm Alfred Bazari with Evertrust Insurance Agency, helping you understand insurance the simple way. Welcome back to the podcast. On this show, I explain insurance topics in a simple and practical way, so you can protect yourself, your family, and your finances. Today, we're talking about one of the most confusing parts of auto insurance: collision coverage and comprehensive coverage. Let's start with collision coverage. Collision coverage protects your vehicle when it's damaged in a crash involving another object. This includes accidents with another vehicle, hitting a pole or guardrail, or a single vehicle accident. If your vehicle collides with something, collision coverage applies. This coverage applies regardless of fault and helps pay for repairs or replacement. What is comprehensive coverage? Comprehensive coverage protects your vehicle from damage that is not caused by a collision. This includes theft, vandalism, fire, weather damage, falling objects, and contact with animals. If something unexpected happens to your vehicle, comprehensive coverage applies. The simplest way to remember: collision is when you hit something. Comprehensive is when something happens to your vehicle. Examples: rear-end accident, collision; hitting a guardrail, collision; hail damage, comprehensive; theft, comprehensive; hitting a deer, comprehensive. Deductibles and cost. Both collision and comprehensive coverage include a deductible. A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance covers the rest. For example, if your repair cost is $2,000 and your deductible is $500, you pay $500. Your insurance company pays the remaining amount. Now here is something important that many people do not realize. Insurance companies use deductibles to avoid handling very small, low-cost claims. If there were no deductibles, people might file claims for minor damages, which would increase costs for everyone. Deductibles help reduce unnecessary claims, keep insurance premiums more affordable, encourage drivers to handle small repairs themselves. You can choose different deductible levels. A higher deductible usually means a lower monthly premium. A lower deductible means higher premium, but less out-of-pocket cost when something happens. Do you need both coverages? If your vehicle is newer or has higher value, it is usually recommended to carry both coverages. If your vehicle is older, you may consider cost versus value. If you have a loan or lease, both coverages are usually required. Common mistakes include removing coverage without understanding the risk. Some drivers remove comprehensive and later regret it after theft or weather damage. Others misunderstand collision coverage and think it only applies when they are at fault. Final advice: the goal is not just saving money. The goal is having the right protection. Understanding your coverage helps you avoid financial risk. Collision coverage protects your vehicle when you hit something. Comprehensive coverage protects your vehicle when something happens to it. Understanding both helps you make better decisions. If you are unsure about your policy, review your declaration page or speak with a professional. If you need help, our contact information is in the description. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.